Okay, so guys, we have a Dubai chocolate here. And today, we are gonna tell you what it tastes like. That's hard. How do you
Use
eat
a
that?
hammer.
Go, just break it.
That's hard.
Hawakan mo dito. Dito, hawakan mo dito. Dito, hawakan mo dyan. And then,
A bite?
no, not yet. Go, break it.
Atikas. Atikas.
Dito, hawakan mo dito.
Atikas. Do a
Tapos,
chocolate.
break it.
Ayan.
Wow.
Ay, ito yung fake, guys. Ito yung fake. Ito yung color green. Ito yung color green.
It's not fake.
Is it better than grass?
Oh, sige, try it na.
Ayan.
Oh, one more.
Better
Hati mo
than
na.
grass.
Take a test.
Better than grass.
Sige, kunin mo. Taste some more. Taste some more. Bite ka dito.
Ah, sarap. Oh. The aftertaste is here. The aftertaste.
Ano?
The aftertaste is not good.
Why? Can you describe the taste?
It's like this.
Ang sarap.
Diba it's like this?
Hindi, kunti pa.
Oo, some more. Baka hindi mo nakain yung chocolate eh. Oo.
Ate mo sa gitna. Bite the other one. Hawakan mo.
Maayos, oh. Ayusin mo para sa video mo.
Yung mga
subscriber mo, wala ka. Ayusin mo, mag-unsubscribe sila sa'yo. Lakihan mo kasi, binida yung pinagat mo.
Mm-mm. Sige, lid. Yan.
Good. Good. Good pa rin. After this ngayon.
Yung feeling ka na rin. Ay,